Stock picking is one of the most labor-intensive jobs that occurs in warehouses, retail stores, and inventory facilities. In today's ultra-competitive world, you need equipment that is versatile, equipment that will help you to be more productive in the tasks at hand.
JLG, the world leader in aerial access, brings you a productive solution for stock picking and hundreds of daily tasks that virtually eliminates the need for ladders or other traditional elevating devices.
If you're an operations manager, store manager, or someone who has to deal with the daily issues of replenishing stock, you know the headaches that can be associated with that task. JLG is dedicated to helping you meet your operational challenges and enhance the productivity of your workforce with access equipment that provides the highest levels of reliability, performance, and ease of use.
The new MSP series of mobile stock pickers from JLG has created a more productive solution for stock picking work.
Let's take a look at the advantages these machines have to offer.
There are 3 different stock pickers in the MSP series: the 10 MSP, the 15 MSP, and the 20 MSP. The numbers on the units tell you how high it can reach to the bottom of the platform. The 10 MSP platform elevates to 10 feet, providing 16 feet of reach for the operator. As you can see, each unit is progressively taller than the last.
So what makes these stock pickers different from what you already have? Good question.
JLG's MSP stock pickers are versatile performers. They each have a compact size that allows them to maneuver and make tight turns easily. Doorways, narrow aisles, and even busy work environments are no problem for the MSP series. One of the best features is the ability to drive the MSP while at full height. This is done with the advanced point-and-go drive system. It's easy to use. You grab the joystick and push it the direction you want to travel. Forward, back. And if you push the joystick sideways, the MSP will turn on its own axis in a 360-degree turn. This is ideal for areas where space is limited.
Okay, now I heard you say, wow, spinning like that's going to mark up my floors. Actually, it won't.
The MSP series has non-marking tires, which make it ideal for stores, office areas, hospitals, and other indoor environments.
So let's talk about the important business, weight capacity.
A single worker with an MSP can lift and carry up to 600 pounds. That's a person and materials, and reach heights up to 26 feet. Workers can handle more boxes, supplies, or tools with both hands instead of holding onto a ladder with one hand and balancing a box with the other.
Another feature that's important is each MSP can only be operated with a key, so customers can't play with the machine if an employee is not present.
The MSP series is designed to work a standard full shift. When you're done with the unit, just plug it into a standard 110-volt outlet and it will recharge the maintenance-free battery in under 5 hours.
There is one more unit that I'd like to tell you about. It's the 13 MSPT.
Designed with very similar features to the 10, 15, and 20 MSP, the 13 has a hydraulically powered material tray with a vertical reach of 31 inches. This tray is designed to carry large or bulky materials weighing up to 150 pounds. Simply raise the tray to the height needed and slide the material on. You can then lower the tray to add more material if necessary.
The MSP stock pickers are all about productivity. To demonstrate this, we've put 2 workers side by side to see how many boxes they can pick.
One is using a ladder, the other, a JLG MSP stock picker. And they're off. Notice how easily the picker using the MSP gets to the exact shelf height she wants, while the picker using the ladder is making sure he has good footing and balance. Well, the MSP has one box and going for a second, while the picker and his assistant using the ladder are just getting to the first box.
We decided to show you some time-lapse footage of how the MSP helps stock pickers work more productively.
Over the course of 10 minutes, you can clearly see the advantage of the MSP versus the ladder. Just look at how much stock the MSP picker was able to bring down from the shelves. Make the picking task a 1-hour job, and the advantage is clear.
Now that's productivity. But what about versatility? The MSP has that covered.
When not being utilized as a stock picker, the MSP can be used to hang retail signs and displays. It also makes doing those tricky maintenance tasks a bit easier. That's versatility.
JLG can make it easy for you to own an MSP through JLG Financial Services. And JLG backs the MSP series with their exclusive 1-in-5 warranty. Plus, JLG's fleet solutions offer you hassle-free service on your lift when and where you need it.
So get on board with one of the most productive ways to move your stock. Do maintenance in a facility. Check inventory. Work on retail displays. And perform hundreds of everyday tasks.
The MSP series from JLG will give you the power to do more.